Good evening and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Taylor Swift was awarded Billboard's Woman of the Decade last night. The award show held in Los Angeles saw the multi-award winning artist using her platform to criticize what she calls toxic male privilege in the music industry, adding that she has seen a lot.
In the last 10 years, I have watched as women in this industry are criticized and measured up to each other and picked at for their bodies, their romantic lives, their fashion.
Swift also quickly noted that regardless, female artists were thriving in this male-dominated industry.
Women in music, on stage or behind the scenes, are not allowed to coast. We are held at a higher, sometimes impossible feeling standard. And it seems that my fellow female artists have taken this challenge and they have accepted it. It seems like the pressure that could have crushed us made us into diamonds instead.
Locked in a battle with music mogul Scooter Braun, who owns the rights to her first 6 albums through a private equity deal, vowed to fight for her rights.
The fact is that private equity is what enabled this man to think, according to his own social media post, that he could buy me. But I'm obviously not going willingly.
Braun's company paid US $300 million to acquire Swift's former record label Big Machine, taking control of her first 6 albums earlier this year. Swift boasts 5 #1 albums along with countless accolades over the decade. Now, we're counting down. The Miss World competition will air live tomorrow on TVJ, and excitement is high for Jamaica, who has advanced. Tonian, who won Talent, will perform during the live show, and hopefully she'll also take home the title. Fingers crossed. So, set those alarms. Tomorrow, Saturday morning, 9 o'clock. Watch it on TVJ. That's it for the weekend edition of E-Prime. I'm Daedran. Thank you for watching.